Hello everyone, this video is from Root the Solution, and in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 1.4. The question is, verify that a divided by b plus c is not equals to a divided by b plus a divided by c for each of the following values of a, b and c, right? Here the first part, in this first part, value of a is given 12, value of b is given -4 and value of C is given 2. In the questions like verification, we have to solve individually the left hand side part of this expression and the right hand side part of this equation. Like in this equation, this is your left hand side one part, right? So we'll solve this. We'll substitute the value. Instead of A, we will write 12. Instead of B, we will write -4. And instead of C, we'll just substitute it with the value 2. Fine. Now we'll solve the bracket. -4 plus 2, 1 is negative, 1 is positive. We'll subtract and sign of the greater number, which is 4. So it would be -2. Now we'll divide. 12 divided by 2 would be 6 and plus divided minus different signs. So answer would be -6. Now it's the time to solve the right hand side. This is the right hand side one expression. Now we'll substitute the value. We'll substitute A with 12, B with -4 and C with 2. Right. Now we'll solve individually the bracket. The first bracket, 12 divided by -4. 12 divided by 4 would be 3 and here minus is there, so -3. And second bracket, 12 divided by 2 would be 6. -3 plus 6, 1 is negative, 1 is positive. We'll subtract and sign of the greater number, which is plus. So now you can see the answer for the, when we solve this LHS, the answer would be -6 and in RHS the answer would be 3. Are they both equal? No, they are not equal. So hence we have proved that left hand side is not equals to right hand side, and therefore we have verified this equation, because in the equation it's given that we have to verify that these both sides should not be equal. Now in the same manner we'll solve the second part. The values are like this. Value of A is -10, B is 1 and the value of C is also 1. So we'll solve the left hand side first. Substitute the value of A, B and C. Now we'll solve the bracket. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 10 divided by 2 is 5 and minus sign is there, so we'll just write -5. Same manner we'll solve the right hand side, this expression. Now we'll substitute the value of A, B and C as -10, 1 and 1. Now there are two brackets. Let's solve the brackets. -10 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1 would be the same number. So it would be -10. Now you can see -10 plus into minus. Plus into minus would be minus only. And -10 minus 10, it would be -20. Again we can see the answer for the left hand side is -5. And when we solve this right hand side of the equation, we get the answer -20. So are they both equal? No, they are not equal. Left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So again, we have just verified this equation. Still, if you have any doubt in this question, you can write it in the comments here. Like and subscribe this channel for more videos. In next video, we are going to solve question number 3 of the same exercise 1.4. Till then, have a great day. Thank you.